Hello students, this is Asma Babwani. Today I will be explaining you grade 8 English subject NCERT book unit 5 and chapter 2, that's a poem The Schoolboy. The schoolboy in the poem is not a happy child. What makes him unhappy? Why does he compare himself to a bird that lives in a cage or a plant that withers when it should blossom? Students, this poem is about a schoolboy who is unhappy because he doesn't like to go to school. So, we will try to understand the stanzas one by one. The first stanza is I love to rise in a summer morn when the birds sing on every tree. A distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! Students, in this stanza, the poet explains us that the boy he loves to wake up early in the morning when birds sing on the trees. He likes the sound of the distant huntsman when he blows his horn. He enjoys the company of a small brown bird that sings with him. The second stanza is but to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. Students, here the meaning of the word outworn is outdated, and the meaning of dismay is disappointment. So the poet further states that the boy does not like to go to school in the summer morning. It takes away all the joy and happiness of him. The teacher keeps a close eye on students and they have to spend the entire day in sadness and distress. The third stanza is then at times I drooping sit and spent many as anxious hour, nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning's bower, worn through with the dreary shower. Students, in this stanza, the poet elaborates that sometimes the boy sits for long hours with his head hanging down. He neither enjoys reading his books nor does he like to sit for learning. He gets bored with the lectures of his teacher. The fourth stanza is how can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? Students, here the poet compares himself with a bird and a school with a cage. As the bird cannot sing in the cage, similarly he cannot enjoy his childhood in the school. The poet says that children are afraid of the teachers. The boy feels that he is a prisoner in the school. As a caged bird lets his wing down and forgets to share the joy of spring, similarly, the boy also forgets to enjoy his young days. Fifth stanza is O father and mother, if buds are nipped and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day, by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy or the summer fruits appear? The poet is William Blake. Students, in this stanza, the poet appeals to the parents not to harass their children. School going kids are very sensitive and delicate, like birds and flowers. If they are being overburdened, they will grow unhappily and fall similar to the flowers. Without a happy childhood, this world will be full of sorrow. The summer will not rise in joy, and plants will no longer bear the fruits. So, students, in short, this poem is about a schoolboy who is unhappy because he doesn't like going to school. He feels that his childhood is ruined in learning. He compares himself to a bird that lives in a cage and a plant that withers when it blossoms. In the end, the poet sends a message to the parents that they should not put the burden of studies on students. They should allow them to experience joy and let them live happily. And the name of the poet is William Blake. Students, this is the end of the poem The Schoolboy. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.